Hey, I'm Rob from Dare Angel Music, dareangelmusic.com. I got my cell phone rubber band to a tripod, so that's why I got a new camera. And it dawned on me, why don't I do an unboxing video? So what I got here, I had already cut the box open when the idea occurred to me. But I ordered this off Amazon and it came from Al's Variety. This is a Nikon D5300 bundle from Al's Variety. They seem to get really good reviews on there. And yeah, there's a variety of bundles. This just seemed to be the one that suited me. And everything was Nikon branded, which was a good thing. So let's get going here. We open the box. Neatly packed, invoice, put that aside. Take these things out one by one. Start with the bag. Nikon branded bag. It's big enough to hold everything in here. Check it out. Plastic. Nice bag. Snaps closed. Strap, extra mesh pocket on the top. Looks like you'll have room for camera, extra lenses, and a little bit of extra goodies in there. Plus a nice front pocket here too. You can always use a little extra room. I like gear, I like backpacks, I like lots of pockets, good heavy duty straps. Looks like a nice bag. Nikon branded as well. Check that out. Oh yeah. Let's move this on over. Now, let's get to accessories. Multi-coated filter kit for 55mm lenses. Maybe I should have got a little knife here before I got going. I can peel that. I'm pretty dexterous. Oh, look at that, nice little pouch. Viewfinder, Series 1. Open it up. Filter kit. Looks like we have 3 lenses in there. There's going to be an FLD fluorescent filter, a circular polarizer filter, and a UV protective filter. So these can come in handy in different situations. Filter out some light, get better images. This came with a bulb, glass bulb for air, cleaning your lenses. Also came with a Nikon branded tripod. Nikon, yeah. Seems pretty sturdy. That'll probably hold the camera. It sits nice and low. You can even hold that in your hand and use it for a pistol grip type of thing with your camera. That'll be nice. Let's set that there. It'll just fold out too. Take an extra second. Yeah, we'll leave that in there. It'll be fine. Now we have this accessory package here. It's got a bunch of stuff. I'm going to have to tear. That's adhesive. Yes, it is. Number 1, we have our tulip style shield here for the lenses. Viewfinder. That's one thing I like about this kit. Everything is brand name, so I figured I would get some good quality with it. You can probably spend lesser on a bundle, but a lot of the accessories tend not to be the best quality. A little pen style cleaner here. Spray on one end, brush on the other. Ooh yeah. I like that. Doot, 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 doot. Put that aside. What else we got? This came with a wrist strap. Wrist straps are nice because they keep you from accidentally dropping your camera. You're doing video, something like that. That'll be a good addition. This also came with a high-speed capacity digital reader for the SD cards. Goes to USB. It'll come in handy as well. Give you some options about how you want to get your photos off this camera. It also has Wi-Fi, so that's going to be another option there. SD card there, USB there. We will set that right down with our pile. This is the remote. This will trigger your shutter. And I think if you hold it, it will do long shutter speeds. I'm going to have to test that out. This one did say Nikon in the ad, but yeah, it should probably work fine. It's a pretty minimal piece of gear. And this also came with a SanDisk 32 gig Ultra SD card. We'll definitely be getting more SD cards because you know you fill them up, especially if you're doing video. Set that over here. Now, I'm going to show you the 70 by 300 millimeter lens. This is a Nikon DX not the VR that has the vibration reduction, but still a nice lens. Nice center pinch lens cap, standard bottom cap. And last but not least, ooh, the camera. Now that's why I'm doing this unboxing video and got this camera, because the videos are going to get much better from here on out. So we open Nikon CD, informational. That'll be nice. Manual. Everybody needs a manual to reference. Here we have a standard 55 millimeter lens, and this does have VR vibration reduction or image stabilization. Another nice quality Nikon pinch cap there. Sweet. This is going to be nice. Comes with a cable, AV, USB, connect to the camera, Nikon branded strap, a USB to camera cable. The other one wasn't USB, it's just from the camera to AV. We have the Viewfinder, what would you call that? Shroud. Comes with battery and charger. Nikon all the way. You know it's going to work good with your camera. You have to give that a charge. I think it comes with a little charge in it. You do get to check it out, test it out. But it's always good to give them a full charge when you're starting out with something like that. Make sure you get a good charge, and a lot of times those batteries have memories. Maybe not so much the lithium ion, but traditionally it's good to keep them in good shape. So here we go. This is the Nikon D5300. Nice features on this above the 3500 model, that this screen flips out and rotates around, so if you're using it for YouTube and things like that, you will be able to see yourself and get that shot just perfect. This is a DSLR, digital SLR camera, single lens reflex, so you will get full control over all your settings. And yeah, I can't wait to get started with this. I hope you enjoyed the video and you see what you get in this pack here, which was quite a bit. It's a 21-piece kit. Don't drop it, don't break it. You get all that. $6.29. Really good deal. I'm happy so far. Let's start taking some pictures. Thanks. Enjoy. Click like, subscribe. Dare to dream.